back, everybody, to Shamon's Kitchen. I got a very special guest in the kitchen today that's coming to share one of her very special, well put together dishes for you. My sister Saun. Yes, we want to thank her for coming. Today, she's going to be making a very special dish, which is her
famous baked bean dish.
That's right, y'all. We've been trying to get this recipe from her from years and years and years. I've known her about 30 years. Now just imagine how long she's been making this dish. She's been making it way before I met her. We never could break her down and get the recipe. But today she's coming in Shamon's Kitchen to share the recipe with the world. All right, sis.
Shamon got me in here. They was like, huh, you coming in and do this. But anyway, we are going to use beans. I'm using the bush baked beans. You can use any beans you like to use. I'm doing a big pan today because tomorrow's the holiday.
Yes.
Labor Day. So anyway, I used the beef smoked sausage because beef smoked sausage to give other people who said they do not like baked beans would like it. Because you have plenty of people that like meat. And when they see that meat and no baked beans, like, So anyway, to do it without the meat, because you have people who don't want any meat.
That's right.
Like my baby brother don't want to eat meat now, he claims. And my niece.
Okay.
She don't want the meat now, you know,
Okay.
but they still love the babies. But anyway, a man told his wife a long time ago when she said she'll add the meat to the baked beans, because she'll do it, she'll do that. He was like, no, it won't taste like hers. So anyway, here's the seasoning.
We gonna do our Cajun seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over, and I did about 3 teaspoons. I really want to put a lot of seasoning to my foods to give it a good flavor. Now we got 2 teaspoons. That's the garlic powder. I don't use the original garlic, choppy and all that. I use powder. So I sprinkle that all over it through the food.
Got it. Okay.
And here is the onion powder.
Onion powder.
Everything
It's powder. I don't cut up no real onions in it because some people don't like real onions, like my husband.
and it's 2 teaspoons.
Got it.
I'm using 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning.
Italian.
I like to put a little Italian seasoning to it to get a little more flavor.
Okay.
Everything 2 teaspoons except for the Cajun.
Cajun. That's where that
Lemon.
flavor come in.
Lemon, pepper. I love lemon pepper. Everything I cook.
It smells good.
And I think I did about 2 teaspoons.
I really don't measure, but I'm doing it for y'all today.
Okay.
Then I add me a little spice to it with the cayenne pepper.
Yes.
And I did about 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of that.
Yeah, I put a little spice today.
Yes, those flavors smelling good.
Because some of them like a lot of spices.
Yes.
When you put all these different spices, that will make it taste so good.
Yes, yes. So then we
Mustard.
What kind of mustard?
Mustard. I got honey mustard. Get ready to get to the sugar.
Okay.
And I did a whole cup of sugar. Make it really sweet.
Okay, so is that they're gonna use like the regular sugar?
You can use regular sugar or brown sugar.
Okay.
Everyone do their baked beans or anything you cook. You do it the way you're tasting or what you like. Start this up for the people who just want without beans, without the meat.
Okay, so like a vegetarian bean.
You could do it like that.
Okay.
It's just up to season.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna worry about that today.
That's why we're gonna add this meat, right?
We're gonna add my
Okay.
meat. I did 3 of the links. I cut them up very fine. I boiled them a little bit to get them tenderized.
Okay.
Now I'm going to add it to my baked beans.
All right. Making me hungry already, sis. Okay.
This, it's a little bit more than 2 pounds, but I'm just going to add amount of ground beef because I'm doing a big one. Pounds in here. Because it's more than 2 pounds here of meat.
That's a lot.
Okay, but I'm putting
Delicious.
baby, we're going to be eating this good for Labor Day.
Yes.
This is a big part. This is not for just at home.
That's right.
And so that's why we got so much meat in here. We use the big can. We mixing it up
That's right.
real nice and fine.
Now sometimes when she made just 1 pan, we looking for at least 2 more pans to come with that. Okay, because it's so good and flavorful. And I see why. Look at all the spices and stuff.
One you all gonna enjoy
like we always do.
Tomorrow and then today, because we gonna taste it.
All right.
And I don't normally taste my food until I serve it.
Okay.
But we gonna taste it today.
She don't have to, but
Little sister be tasting something.
yes.
So, it's time for the going to I was set it on 425.
Really nice and fast. Okay. Because we getting food ready so we can party. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do
45 minutes.
45 minutes. She said.
For that.
For the baked beans. For the big one. The big serving size. Big tray. 45 minutes at 425.
And that's all I normally cook is big ones. I don't even know if I ever did a small one.
I don't
really.
think so. Sometimes I think you just don't cook enough. We'll be looking for something to take home.
Right.
Yeah.
And my son love them. Oh my God, he love them.
Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead.
So I'm going to open this. You got the stove open? Let's open
the
the
stove. Okay. And I'll take the pleasure of putting this bad baby in the oven.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're going to enjoy some good eating.
Yes,
now, a lot
we
of people say they don't need nothing but the beans because they got meat already in it.
A whole meal, really.
And so you get your bread, you got your meat, your beans.
Protein, yes.
And soak it up and eat.
Yes, and a lot of people do. Some people do, son. They take that one little serving and it's a meal. It's filling. You got all that meat, just like you just said, sis. So, yes. So, we're going to let it cook for 45 minutes at 425.
Yes.
All right, so now that the 40 to 45 minutes is up, time for the baked beans to get ready to come on out.
Yes.
All right, sis, I can smell that aroma going through the house. Smells delicious. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes.
Everything nice and cooked and toasted.
Yes. Now that's what you call famous meaty baked beans. I can't wait to taste it. Yes. Yes, sis. I'm going to let you have the pleasure. Who going to go first, me or you? Okay, so I'm going to serve her her own famous meaty baked beans. Yes. Remember, this can be a whole meal. All in.
Look at that. Look at the sausage, the ground beef, and everything. Here we go. I'm going to blow it to make sure now. It's hot.
It's good enough.
I got to blow first.
And you taste the spiciness and stuff.
Delicious. This is some good stuff. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today with me and my sister Saun. She finally came after 30 years plus, because she's been making them for a while, to share her famous meaty baked beans with the world. What a day, what a day. We want y'all to, don't forget to tune in and subscribe to this channel. Like it. Follow me on Facebook at Shimon Snyder on Facebook. And we want to thank y'all. I really appreciate this. This was the bomb today. Thank you all, from your family to ours.
Enjoy the baked beans.
Yes. Be blessed.